Okay, we're going to look at how to fix a bill jam. This is a Coinco BP2EX. First thing you want to do is remove the bill box. We do that. Colleen?
Very close.
I'll show this up here. Ready? Mm-hmm. We do that by reaching in and pushing this tab here forward, and then we push up on the bill box. It should slide right out. Now, it's rare that you would have anything going on here in this magazine. Often you will see a bill that has come part way up here in this jam, or you could have something jammed within this section here. To remove this, you feel under here there's a button. I don't know if you can see that there's a tab here. Directly to that, there's this tab. You push up on that tab and then pull back on this lower housing here, and this comes out. So it says here you can flash codes, check bill box, 1 flash, 2, check clean bill path, 3, return for service. Really all you can do, make sure that's okay, the bill box is in properly, it's working. You can pull this out. You see this is really dirty and dusty. There are sensors here that may need cleaning. We'll just clean that with alcohol or some window cleaner, and we'll put those on a paper towel. Okay. And we're going to look in here, make sure everything's clean. There's actually some stuff up top here, some sensors that may need cleaning. You're going to check on those as well. When it's finished being cleaned, we're going to take, guide it back in, push it into position until you're sure it's in there firmly. You return your bill box, bringing it up high, but not too high, because you want to make sure that these tabs fit properly. And you just slide it down into place. Okay, we're going to look at how to clear a bill jam. This is a Coinco BP2BX. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and remove the magazine, or bill box as some people call it. We do that by pushing this top little button back, little tab, and pushing up on the bill box. That removes the bill box. Everything should be okay in here. We want to make sure that it is firmly attached. This actually has flash codes, and it tells you the flash codes inside where the bill box was resting. Let's go ahead and look at these flash codes. We're going to remove the bill box. We do that, as you see, there's a indentation here. There's actually a tab under here that we're going to press up. We're going to press that tab up. It's in maybe 1/2 inch. After we press the tab up, we pull back on this bill box, this lower portion, and it comes out. Now it actually tells us what the flash codes mean. 1, check bill box. 2, check clean bill path, right, which is all of this section coming up. And 3 is return for service. So when we check and clean our bill path, we look to see if there's anything covering our sensors, both here and up in this section here underneath. We're going to clean this out with preferably a cloth, or if you don't have a cloth, a paper towel with some Windex or alcohol on it. Windex is a little bit better. The alcohol can dry out these belts. These belts around these wheels help move your bills along. This one is particularly important. If this is broken, you have to send it in for service. So we're going to check all those, clean it up. Once that's done, you push this firmly back into place, pull on it, make sure that it is latched. Then you take your magazine or bill box, bring it into position above the slots that are here and here, slide it down into place. You should be set.